In today's video, we'll be discussing pairing ShipStation, your accounting tool, with Amazon and Shopify for B2B and B2C sellers. My recommendation for ShipStation is to pair the Amazon Shopify with it for label printing purposes. For accounting, you don't want to sync Amazon Shopify through ShipStation for a couple reasons. First, you don't want to sync hundreds of transactions to QuickBooks. It will be a nightmare for you to match those to payouts to ensure that the orders are in there with the right totals. Second, ShipStation will not import the merchant fees and Amazon fees on the sales. This means when the sales come into the accounting tool, they'll be inaccurate. And third, with ShipStation, you want to make sure that your refunds, your partial refunds, come into your accounting system. If you're importing sales without the refunds, your data is going to be inaccurate. Here's what I recommend. You use ShipStation to just do the Amazon Shopify shipping labels. Keep that separate from accounting. You'd use ShipStation and our software Connex Ecommerce for your B2B sales. That means that anything you manually type into ShipStation goes into your accounting tool like QuickBooks. Or if you're using the accounting tool to hand enter orders, sync them to the ShipStation, and then send the shipping and details back to your accounting tool, that's fine. When you go to pair Connex, add the Amazon and Shopify sites directly. When you do the pairing, you want to do summary payout. This will download the payout from your selling channel, merge all the sales and refunds onto one sale, and you'll get all the fees. Let's take a look at a quick one. You can see here's all the items on the sale. Refunds are on there, adjustments. And this is ideal because this matches your payout. It'll make it much easier to match everything. You do the same thing with your Shopify site. This customer is unique. He actually merged his B2B and B2C into one site. So that's why he has two of them. And what we did in his example is we create a rule. And based on a tag on the sale, we determine if it's a B2C or B2B order. This ensures that the B2B orders came into the accounting system individually as invoice and payments, what we recommend. This customer waits for the sales to ship before importing them, which is fine. You could also add paid and unpaid. This will ensure that the system will import sales to and after the payments. This ensures that you can create invoices in the accounting tool and then mark them as paid in the selling channel. This is ideal if your orders are in net 30 terms. Another issue when you're pairing your B2B site, make sure you map the companies. Often I see in the accounting system and the selling channel, the companies are different, and you don't want to see our software making duplicate companies. So quick conclusion, use ShipStation for the B2B only, exclude the Amazon Shopify and do the summary payouts, and use our rules engine to map fields like company and exclude sales when necessary. If you're ready to take the next step and sync your B2B and B2C sales properly with your accounting system, visit connexecommerce.com and click Speak with an Expert. We'll give you a complimentary 15-minute workflow assessment to see if Connex is a fit for you.